Hey everyone, if you're confused about which resume template to choose on resume.com, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to choose the best resume template on resume.com in 2026. First, sign into your resume.com account. This gives you access to all available resume templates. Next, go to the template section. This is where all free and premium resume designs are shown. Now, look at different template types. Some are modern, some are simple, and others are more creative in style. Choose a template based on your job type. Corporate jobs usually need clean and simple designs, while creative jobs can use more stylish layouts. Make sure the template is easy to read. Recruiters prefer resumes with clear headings and simple formatting. Always preview the template before selecting it. This helps you see how your information will look in that design. Finally, select the template and start editing your resume. Now you can add your personal details and customize everything. So yeah, that's how you choose a resume template on resume.com. Follow each step carefully and you can build a professional resume that fits your job perfectly. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more career tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone.